Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for March 17th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Nina Whittle. Today's FirstWord Pharma News Roundup is sponsored by Sejadim. In our top news story, drug makers including GlaxoSmithKline and Johnson & Johnson invested in a fund created by the UK government to finance research into dementia. The venture capital Dementia Discovery Fund is also being supported by Biogen Idec, Eli Lilly and Pfizer, with initial commitments totaling $100 million. Also featured, activists gained clearance from the European Commission allowing the drug maker to proceed with its $66 billion takeover of Allergan. Activists noted that the approval satisfies the final regulatory condition to the closing of the transaction, which is expected on or around March 17. In other news, a study of Johnson & Johnson and Pharmacyclics Imbruvica met its main goal in patients with relapsed or refractory chronic lymphocytic leukemia or small lymphocytic lymphoma. An interim analysis showed that Imbruvica prolonged progression-free survival, with a data monitoring committee recommending unblinding of the trial. In addition, the European Commission approved Novartis's Jakavi for the treatment of adults with polycythemia vera who are resistant to or intolerant of hydroxyurea. Novartis said that the JAK1/2 inhibitor is the first targeted treatment approved in Europe for this indication. And finally, FDA reviewers found no new safety problems linked to GlaxoSmithKline's Breo-Ellipta for treating asthma. The comments come ahead of an FDA advisory panel meeting on March 19 to assess the therapy. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Take a look at us now, the new mobile intelligence. Performing better together.